Assalamualaikum and welcome to tutorial tuber channel. In the 13th video of the 3D modeling, we are going to discuss about the fillet or the chamfer tool. First of all, we will click on the front plane or any plane you want and then click on sketch. After that, we are going to make a geometry. For example, we are going to make a corner rectangle. For example, this. After that, click on OK. Now we want to apply the fillet tool on this rectangle. As you can see, below the spline and at the right of the polygon is an angle. It is the fillet. When you will click on the drop down, you will see one is the fillet and the second is the chamfer, and you will see that the fillet is rounded edge and the chamfer is the cutted edge. We will click on the sketch fillet, and after that we will click on these end points of the rectangle. You can choose multiple by clicking at the end of the rectangle. After that, you will see that it is asking about the fillet radius, means how much roundness you want. If you want a less roundness, you can write here 5 and click enter. As you can see, the roundness has been decreased. After that, you can see dimension each fillet. We will click OK. Now we are going to make another rectangle. For example, this. Click OK. Click on fillet and give it, for example, 2. After that, click on this and give it 5. As you can see, in this way you can give different dimensions, or you can say different fillet radiuses on the sides of the rectangle. For example, if you want a radius here to be 10, you have to make sure that this dimension each fillet is checked, because this will apply different fillets on each of the part. You will select here, for example, you will want 10, click once 10 and then click again. Now as you can see, it is filleted. Now if you want here 20, write here 20, click enter and click enter again. As you can see, the all 4 fillets are having different radiuses. After that, we are going to apply another tool, which is the sketch chamfer. We will make another rectangle for this, and we will select sketch chamfer from here. After that, we will click on this corner point. As you can see, 10 mm was already chosen, so it has automatically chamfered it at 10 mm. You can also undo it. For example, if you want 20. Now when you will click on either side of the or either corner of the rectangle, you will see it will automatically do it, and we will click OK. Now our chamfer is done. You can also click on this exit sketch to exit from sketch. You can also delete it. For example, you will click on this sketch and press delete button from the keyboard and click on yes. Now as you can see, the sketch is deleted. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.